Meaning of gayness.
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 Gayness. Gayness refers to the state or quality of being homosexual. It is often used to describe same-sex attraction and relationships between people of the same gender. The term gayness can also be used to describe the cultural and social aspects of the LGBTQ+ community. This includes things like pride parades, LGBTQ+ events and celebrations, as well as the struggle for equality and acceptance faced by many members of the community. Overall, gayness is a term that encompasses many different aspects of LGBTQ+ identity, culture, and experience.